Alright, hey guys, it's Iris here. I'm just showing you my update for the Batman Arkham City Morse Code. What you see here is the Morse Code sound file that Goldenfoxx sent me. This is just the stereo format, that's why this is for both the left and right hand speakers, and they're just playing at the same time. I've zoomed in to 600% so you can see the spacing between the sounds. And I've slowed down the sound speed as well to 15%, negative 15%. So it's not just running through and just one garble thing. I'm using a program called Music Player for musicians to do this. You guys are more than welcome to do it too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press play, and you're going to hear the first bit. I'm going to pause. I'm going to move this over. You can hear the second bit. That way, if you want to just listen to one piece at a time, it'll be really easy just to repeat back and listen to it again. And here we go. So there might be more, but this is all that Goldenfoxx recorded for me, and it's a lot. So far, I've been decoding some of it. It doesn't seem to be making any sense initially, but there's enough to it that there has to be some meaning from what I've discovered thus far. One of the interesting things, though, about this, which makes me wonder if it's something besides Morse code, is the tones that it's giving off. It's not just the same bits and dots or short and longs in Morse code. There's different tone sounds. Let's see if I can show you. Like right here, for example, it's D da da, but this is short, obviously, from the way you can see and the way it sounds. But yet, I mean, this is where it's getting hard to tell if this is one letter right here. Is this long? Is this short? That's why I'm zooming in more and more. But yeah, that's what I have for now. I'll let you guys know when I've completed this series. Then I'll work on the refrigerator piece again. Hope this helps. Later.